Welcome to our guide on automating your polytunnel, where we'll explore the benefits and steps to make your gardening experience more efficient and enjoyable. Maintaining a polytunnel can be time-consuming, especially when it comes to watering, temperature control, and ventilation. Automation can free up your time while ensuring optimal conditions for your plants. The cornerstone of automation is an efficient watering system. Drip irrigation and soaker hoses provide controlled, consistent watering. A timer can be set to deliver the right amount of moisture at the right times. Sensors can be added to measure soil moisture, ensuring your plants receive just the right amount of water they need. Maintaining an optimal temperature is crucial for plant health. Install a thermostat to regulate heating and cooling systems. Automated vents can open and close based on temperature, ensuring a comfortable environment for your plants. Extend your growing season with automated lighting. Timers can simulate natural daylight hours, promoting healthy growth. Additionally, shade cloth can be automated to protect plants during scorching days. Stay connected with your polytunnel through smart technology. Wi-Fi-enabled sensors can provide real-time data on temperature, humidity, and soil conditions. You can even control your systems remotely via a smartphone app. With automation, you'll not only save time but also improve the overall health and productivity of your polytunnel. Embrace technology to make your gardening experience truly effortless and rewarding. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more automated and bountiful polytunnel. Happy gardening!